This is Sindhil Ravan going to speak about the construction of decision trees using the design thinking approach. In decision analysis, a decision tree can be used to visuality and explicitly represent decisions and decision making. It is a commonly used tool in data mining for deriving a strategy to reach a particular goal and widely used in machine learning. Decision trees in design thinking are a non-parametric supervised learning method used for classification regression. The goal here is to create a model that predicts the value of a target variable by learning simple decision rules inferred from the data features. A tree can be seen as a piecewise constant approximation. Constructing a tree involves deciding on which features to use and what conditions to use for splitting, along with knowing when to stop. As a tree generally grows arbitrarily, you will need to trim it down for it to look beautiful. A tree can be learned by splitting the source set into subsets based on attribute value test. This process is repeated on each derived subset in a recursive manner called as recursive partitioning. The recursion is completed when the subset at a node all has the same value of a target variable, or when splitting no longer adds value to the predictions. The construction of a decision tree classifier does not require any domain knowledge or parameter setting, and therefore is appropriate for exploratory knowledge discovery in this decision thinking approach. Decision trees can handle high dimensional data. In general, decision tree classifier has good accuracy, and decision tree induction is a typical inductive approach to learn knowledge on classification. Decision trees classify instances by sorting them down the tree from the root to some leaf node, which provides the classification of the instance. An instance is classified by starting at the root node of the tree, testing the attribute specified by this node, and then moving the tree branch corresponding to the value of the another. This process is then repeated for the subtree rooted for the new node. For example, if you see with the instance outlook, it comprises of the features like rain, temperature including hot, humidity, high, wind, strong. All these things can be used. In other words, we can say with a decision tree and decision taking approach represents a disjunction of the conjunctions of constraints on the attribute values of instances. Thank you.